Do you want a healthy and budget-friendly breakfast? Today, I'll show you how to make simple yet delicious mixed vegetable fried rice, perfect for busy mornings. Let's get started. Melt the butter. Add mixed vegetables. Add a little oil. Add the sliced garlic and salt. Once the mixed vegetables are tender, add the leftover rice. Add seasoning. It's cooked. Time for plating. Here is my easy mixed vegetable fried rice. Do you like this kind of dish for breakfast? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.